PNS guided supraclavicular brachial plexus block. Feel the clavicle and then feel the midpoint of the clavicle. Now try to feel the interscalene groove. You can see it can feel the interscalene groove and go up to the lower end of the interscalene groove. Here also you can feel the suppliant pulsation. In case if you are not able to feel the pulsation, you can ask the patient to lift and you can put something below the shoulder. So you will be able to feel the pulsation easily. Here you can see I can feel. Now I am adjusting the peripheral nerve stimulator at 1.5 milliampere frequency. You see I am adjusting up to 1.5 milliampere. Okay. Again pulsation are very well, and I am pre-procedure I am checking patient is able to move his upper limb. Now I will start the procedure after getting washed. Okay, I have taken the insulated needle. This is an insulated needle. I will insert the needle in the medial, backward and downward direction, just lateral to the subclavian artery. So I am feeling the pulsation of subclavian artery. Now I will insert the needle in the medial, backward and downward direction. See, after inserting the needle, see, try to elicit the contraction. Here I am able to see the contraction, but these are the transmitted contraction from the elbow and shoulder, and this patient is for forearm surgery, so these contraction are not satisfactory. If we give drug, we will not give the desired anesthesia in the forearm. So what we can do, we can redirect the needle and again try to elicit the contraction in the fingers. So I will reinsert the needle, redirect the needle. See, I have redirected the needle. Now here, see the contraction. I am getting very well contraction in the fingers. You see, contractions in the fingers are very well seen. Now reduce the frequency from 1.5 milliampere gradually up till 0.5 to 0.6 milliampere. Here I am getting this contraction up to 0.6 milliampere. You can see in this PNS up to 0.6 milliampere I can elicit this contraction. So I will inject the drug. After injecting 2 to 3 cc of the drug, the contraction will disappear. So you can see here this contraction has disappeared. Now I will give rest of the drug. Total I have taken 30 cc of the local anesthetic, in which I have taken 12 ml of the xylocaine with adrenaline, 12 ml of the bupivacaine and 5 cc distilled water. I have added 2 cc of the soda bicarb for faster onset of the block. So total I have taken 32 cc of the local anesthetic injection. Okay, so after 5 minutes we can check for the effect of the block. So 5 minutes you see patient is not able to use. Surgery is started. They have kept the skin incision. There is no pain to the patient, no movement of the patient, and you can see patient is vitally stable. Pulse, blood pressure, saturation, everything is stable and patient is comfortable. You can see patient is comfortable. Thank you.